Hello everybody, welcome to YATO live show. And you know, we got a new showroom last year, 2020, which is fantastic good. And today, we're gonna show you how it does it like. So come on, let's check out. And first, we're gonna take a general view of our showroom. We got lots of walls full of products, hand tools, power tools, cabinets, roller cabinet, ready automobile maintenance, and non-sparking ones. All right. And on my left side, you can see we have a wall here. You can read that we have 4 logistics centers now in the whole world. 1 in Poland, another Romania, Shanghai, and Jiaxing. And the one finished last year in Jiaxing will be the largest one in the whole group. Meanwhile, you can notice now we have partners in 130 countries, and meanwhile the number is increasing all the time. We hope you are gonna be the next one. Join us soon. On the right side, we got some awards, both domestic and internationally, like the top 10 tools in the whole world, or the design rewards from the Canon Fair. And let's start from the pliers and screwdrivers. We YATO are good at industrial and professional goods. Like the screwdriver here, on the top we got a VDE, the yellow and the red color is the general standard internationally. And this product can pass 10,000 voltage, and it got the certificates of German laboratory. Meanwhile, we got the 3-color screwdriver, which is industrial level from Taiwan material, SVCM55. And other 3-color and the 2-color screwdrivers are made from S2 material, which is good enough for daily using. And meanwhile, we supply the set for your selection to match your diversified needs. And for example, we got a go-through one here. You can use the screwdriver as a hammer. All right. For the pliers part, we also have 3 levels: industrial, professional, and DIY, in order to meet the demands. And for the YATO 3-color, you may notice here, it's red, black, and white. And also the screwdriver too, because we have the design, we have the idea originally from Chinese culture, Peking apple. So we combine the Chinese nation spiritual in it. So it's not about products and also culture. It's not only goods, but also artwork and a masterpiece. Don't you think that? All right. And what's more, to match the particular needs, we got more pliers here. For example, end cutting pliers, hose clamp pliers, well-balanced plier, or your favorite pliers. And meanwhile, for electrician using, we have cramping pliers, wire scraper, cutter, knife here to match your diversified needs. So that is the plier and screwdriver part. Now let's go to check out the spanner here, which is one of the most popular products in our catalog. You can see that we have the VD red and yellow color ones on the top, and meanwhile, being hexagon combination, full of sets from different size, like from 5 millimeters to 6.5 millimeters. And for the material, we have the Taiwan making ones and China. We use CRV 6140 to guarantee the hard and flexible. And meanwhile, you could see here, we have the double end spanner, torx 3 spanner, X handle spanner to save the labor and for the space. So to sum up, we almost offer all types of spanner you saw in the market. Just come to us, we're gonna offer you the solution. And meanwhile, we're going to high point here, the wrench, ratchet wrench, and all of them are made CRV. The most important part is that it's designed by 72 teeth. That is flexible and powerful for using. So for each adjustment, it's 5 degrees, and we got a pin here. You can switch the direction easily. Meanwhile, we got a circuit here, which is we call 2-color treatment. And first, it's the setting, and also carbon mirror planted to protect, to boost efficiency, and also it is good for the collision protection. And meanwhile, we serve the different type of circuit here, the T-type, L-type, to match your needs. And this part, these big guys are adjustable wrench. So you could change the size and to match your diversified requirements. On my left part, we're going to take a quick review of the quick release ratchet handle. You can see that we have many different kinds of quality things. And all these products are designed by 72 teeth too. And that means for the medium operation, only 5 degrees changed. So every time you move, that it will be the prices adjust. Regarding the precision operation, like the automobile maintenance job, you need focus on the torque. So we supply the torque wrench here, basically 3 style: mechanical, and the scale one, and also digital. From 2 Newton meters to 300 Newton meters, the largest one, it can reach 3 meters. And for tolerance, 2% to 4%. And we're going to move another part. It's about power tools accessory. And you may understand, power tools is the developing trends of the tool industry. And this accessory, like the drill bits and extension bar, play a really important part in a job. It can definitely improve your efficiency. And we separate, these drill bits by using, you can see wood, metal, tile glass, and concrete. For the head, for the connector, we got round, triangle, and hex. Meanwhile, for the drill bits, we offer the SDS and SDS Plus Max for your selection. And we're glad to introduce our pop star. Our star here is the drill bit, which made from the HSS 4241. For efficiency and long lifetime using, we got a single piece pack and also set. If you choose this one, you can read the number here. It have 9 steps here. That means by one, you'll get 9 to match your needs quickly. And meanwhile, we offer the adapter and extension bar here, this accessory, to make your job more smooth, and also the chisel, files here, not only single but the full set. All right. As you know, we YATO not only offer goods but the whole solution. That means we consider each process. So on this part, you could see we have some cleaning job to help you do the cleaning job. After the job, we offer the diamond disc, cut brush, and cutting disc, which is good for polish or cleaning. All right, and all this accessory, we have our warranty policy, so no worry about any case in your using. Next part, come on guys, next part we're going to talk about here. It's a beautiful wall, right, with gloves and shoes. So it's all about mirroring tools, safety products, and garden. So let's start from the mirroring. About the tape, we got two material, steel and fiberglass from 2 meters to 50 meters. And for the mirroring system, both inch and millimeters are covered here. In the same time, we offer the vinyl clappers and both digital and mechanical system. And this is the laser distance meter, digital multimeter with tolerance 0.01 millimeter to 0.02 millimeters. All right, next, our safety goods. You can see here, safety goods are doing great, to empty virus case last year, 2020. We YATO gave lots of efforts, to help the world to get through the case by supplying masks, gloves, goggle, helmet, and safety shoes. Even the overall work suit. And we'd like to remind here, all the safety goods have the CE certificates. It's well guaranteed. And this part is about garden tools. Actually, we have more than 200 items of garden tools, cover the whole range. We have electrical and gasoline, which we're going to talk later. And this part is the hand. We choose the display by season. So this only one part of our goods, including a mover, connector, and a cutter. This is for garden tools and safety goods. Above all, we saw lots of hand tools. And as you know, in a developing history of people, tools make human beings human beings. And the innovation of power tools is another revolution. That means it releases people's hands, save the labor and cost. So next part, we're going to talk about the power tools. We YATO, as the leading tools brands all over the world, we focus a lot on the power tools innovation. You can read here from the wall, most of the tools are professional level, like the angle grinder, impact drill, rotor hammer, and polisher jacksaw, metal saw trimmer, and heat gun. And we have more than 100 items of power tools from voltage 110 to 240. So these products can be widely used in different markets and countries. All right, so small guys on the wall and the big body on the ground. So let's check out here. You could notice here we have the high pressure wash cleaner, car washer with capacity 20, 30, 40, and 7. And meanwhile, we offer the air compressor from 24 liters to 100 liters. In the same time, we got a vacuum there, which is really used for. And meanwhile, we have generator, table saw, water pump, and other equipment. And we'd like to remind here, we got some new products this year. That's for garden tools, like the more lower, trimmer on the wall, and this part too. So this can be widely used in your shop, enterprises, restaurant area, and your home yard. So it depends on the size and the space you need and the purpose you prefer. And anyway, with YATO have the right solution for you. Power tools means power. You need a power supply with wire or some other like a gasoline. And in the development of power tools, so we have the train. Portable, convenient to use, and flexible. That means people need tools everywhere in a hiking mountain or just in a car. Some places they are not so convenient to find the power supply. So we have the solution here. You're right, that is cordless power. And you could see here we got a whole wall of the cordless power, which is based on the 18 voltage. By using, we can divide them into different classes by function like the drilling, cutting, gardening, and special purpose ones. First, we can take a look here, the cordless drill. We have both brush and brushless ones. And this is our star products in packed range with the connector 1 second, and we have the power 300 Newton meters. And for the design, aluminum head cover and a rubber handle, which is very comfortable to operate. And this is our top sale in 2020. And meanwhile, we have the cordless angle grind with disc range 100 millimeter to 125 millimeters. And meanwhile, to enlarge our products range, we offer the new garden ones, like the power washer. You can use it to water your garden, your park, and also the trimmer, sprayer. And all these products are based on 18 voltage, as I mentioned. But there's a key point about cordless products, because it supplies the power by battery. So you may consider, oh, how long time can it last? So to solve the problem, we innovate the battery here, 18 voltage, but 2 ampere hour, 4 ampere hour, and 6 ampere hour. We got a different size of the products. So bigger ones, they may have the more consuming of the power. All right, so all the products here, to sum up, they are powered with the semi-heavy-duty battery to save the space, cost, and it's also good for environment. You select the products and you buy the same battery. So that will be your perfect solution. And meanwhile, we will launch more new products, to match your needs anyway. Battery power will make your life better. So above is the power tools, and now we're coming to the cabinets. We have a huge cabinet set here. Oh, it's like a working station, right? So we take a look at the big ones. We have different chests, board and a table, wood and steel, floor cabinet for your tools handling, storing, and keeping. So when you need it, you can easily take it from here and find the right place to implement it. So you can imagine if you get this combination cabinet in your shop or showroom, how much good work you can collect. Your customer may trust you about your professionalism, and also it is enhance their confidence to do the business with you. And meanwhile, consider the flexible and space. We also offer the roller cabinet, which is more suitable for the moving. We have the anti-design slip here. You can install the vice bench, and meanwhile we have the holes on both sides. You can enjoy more space here. And we have the handle with rubber, which is really tough, really easy, and nice to touch, and a good quality roller, which can bear 75 kilograms. You can use it anywhere you want, and you can even use it as a cart. Place the good, heavy goods on it. We have the drawers here to keep the tools. You can take it anywhere, 5 drawers, 7, and more. We got 20 roller bits here, roller cabinets with different using. Most of them, are designed for Audi or Benz, these luxury cars. And they can hold like from 200 pieces to 400 pieces of tools. All right, that's for the cabinet and the roller cabinet. And then let's turn to the last area. Here you can see some of the VD parts here, VD part and hammer behind it, and automobile maintenance goods, and also some accessory, automobile again for engine and some other parts, and lots of lights good for outdoor and industrial using. Meanwhile, non-sparking, which is good for the project, like oil, energy, and some other situation. Above all is a brief overview of YATO showroom. So far, you have already seen around 4,000 to 5,000 items. And because of the space, we only offer hot items, star items, new items here to give you our information. For more items, please surf our website and download the catalog. And upon the catalog, you can search more than 10,000 items there. And please note, we YATO tools have well warranty for all the products. So anytime you need in using, we'll be there. For your after sales service, like power tools, we offer the spare parts for your maintenance. That's why we have the big reputation, good reputation all over the world, and have the long history, 30 years. And the practice and feedback actually speak louder than words, because there are more and more partners now are joining us. So far, it's 130 countries, and we expect more this year and next year. It's continuously growing, because we YATO make every effort to help you to achieve the goal. Your goal, your client's goal, is our goal. So we always offer the best solution of you. We make YATO really proud, and that's why we give our effort and move forward. We want to grow with you, develop with you. Thank you.